case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the case of Reagan vs. United States, heard by the Supreme Court in 1895, a defendant was convicted in the lower courts for the misdemeanor offense of illegally receiving and concealing smuggled cattle with the intent to defraud the United States. The defendant, certain that his conviction was unjust, appealed the decision. His grounds for appeal consisted of two main points: the claim that he should have been granted more opportunities to challenge potential jurors, and a dispute over the court's instructions to the jury regarding the interpretation of his testimony. In April of 1894, the defendant argued that he was beholden to the rights of a felony defendant, demanding 10 peremptory challenges, a request which was denied due to his misdemeanor classification. Furthermore, the court had instructed the jury that it should consider his vested interest in the trial's outcome when weighing the credibility of his testimony. Upon the appeal reaching the Supreme Court, the High Court affirmed the lower court's original ruling. The Supreme Court held that a fair trial may include instructing jurors to consider the defendant's personal interest in the proceedings without violating their rights to self-defense. It also declared that any statements made by the defendant in a motion for a new trial cannot be deemed as evidence unless supported by bill of exceptions, and the court holds no power to review such overruled motions. The Supreme Court concluded that the original instruction given to the lower court's jury was appropriate and did not suggest that the defendant was necessarily dishonest. Therefore, the Supreme Court upheld the earlier judgment.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.